Confined Space Entry, Level 1, Course. Confined spaces can pose significant risks to workers due to potential hazards like lack of oxygen, toxic gases, and physical dangers. This training course will provide a comprehensive overview of the key steps and safety protocols required for safe confined space entry. Course Overview. 1. Comprehensive Program. This course provides thorough training on the hazards of working in confined spaces and the necessary safety measures for entry, atmospheric monitoring, safety equipment, emergency procedures, and rescue. 2. Target Audience. Workers involved in confined space entry and those overseeing confined space operations. This includes industrial workers, safety supervisors, and personnel needing to enter or supervise work in confined spaces. 3. Accreditations. Conducted in accordance with OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, guidelines. Identification of hazards. Oxygen deficiency. Lack of adequate oxygen can lead to asphyxiation and loss of consciousness. Toxic gases. Buildup of flammable, poisonous, or otherwise hazardous gases can be life-threatening. Physical dangers. Confined spaces may have limited access, uneven surfaces, and other physical hazards posing injury risks. Conducting risk assessment. 1. Inspect. Thoroughly examine the confined space and identify all potential hazards. 2. Evaluate. Assess the likelihood and severity of each hazard to determine overall risk level. 3. Mitigate. Implement appropriate control measures to eliminate or minimize the identified risks. PPE and safety gears. Respirators. Provide protection against toxic gases and oxygen-deficient atmospheres. Harnesses. Enable safe entry, exit, and retrieval in the event of an emergency. Lighting. Ensure visibility and proper illumination within the confined space. Communication devices. Allow coordination and emergency signaling with the outside team. Procedures and protocols. Obtain permits. Ensure all necessary permits and authorizations are in place before entry. Ventilate. Thoroughly ventilate the confined space to remove any hazardous atmospheres. Designate attendants. Post trained attendants to monitor the entry and coordinate emergency response. Confined space equipment. Gas detectors. These critical devices continuously monitor oxygen levels, combustible gases, and toxic substances to ensure worker safety. Ventilation systems. Proper ventilation provides fresh air circulation and removes hazardous airborne contaminants from the confined environment. Retrieval systems. Specialized retrieval equipment enables quick and safe extraction of workers in the event of an emergency. Responding to emergencies. First aid. Provide immediate medical attention to injured or incapacitated workers. Evacuation. Safely remove all personnel from the confined space in a timely manner. Emergency services. Coordinate with local emergency responders to handle complex or life-threatening situations. Post-entry procedures. Debrief. Review the entry process, identify any issues, and discuss lessons learned. Inspection. Thoroughly inspect the confined space and equipment for any damage or malfunctions. Documentation. Maintain detailed records of the entry, including any incidents or observations. Course curriculum. Understanding confined spaces. Identification of hazards inside confined spaces. Carrying out risk assessment and hazard identification prior entry. PPE and safety gears to be used prior entry. Understand communication protocols. Continuous monitoring of atmospheric condition during the entry. Entry and exit procedures and protocols. Familiarization with equipment used. Responding to an emergency. Teamwork and collaboration. Post-entry procedures. Legislative guidelines and regulations.
Contact us for more information. You can call us, email us, or go through our website and visit us at this address.